I'm back. Part two to this video. So what I did was I just went on ahead and script the other one down. Got the extra bushings out of it. Took a couple screws out of it. And this trash, because it's cracked. I thought I was going to be able to fix this one, but I'm not going to be able to fix it. Simple fact, if you look on the inside there, man, that coil is burnt out. So the coil inside burnt out. Nothing I could do with it. This little motor that came out of it. The bearings and everything is worn out. So I can't do nothing with this. I was going to try to save the housing, but it's not even worth it. I got 2 screws down there. I probably could take the whole inside out, the whole cone and everything, but that's too much of a headache. So what I'm going to do is just snip these wires off here, save this cable, because it is a good cable. I can use this cable on something else that might break. And here go the other one. She back together. Brand new. I put new bushings in it. I took the gasket off this one, the old one, put it on that one. And put the new front cap on here. Container outlet where the water goes through, pumps through, because like I say, the other one cracked. And that's because I was being lazy over the summer. Over during the winter time. So that's it, man. Marcus with Green Solution Commercial Cleaning, just showing y'all guys how to do a quick fix on your equipment before you take it to a shop or before you just trash it, give up on it, and buy another one, man. So this is where you can save a few bucks. Today I saved myself, what, 100, 200 bucks, because now I not only have the brand new one that I bought a few months back that's in my van, I also have a backup now that's brand new that I bought right before the winter time. So, and I had to buy another one when I discovered the other one had broke. So now I really pretty much have 2. So I kind of got a backup in case that one go down. All right, man, that's it. Marcus with Green Solution signing out. Deuces.